Hello everybody, my name is Vikas and we're here today to discuss the marking criteria for IELTS writing. Why is it important for you to know the marking criteria? That's because the examiner who invigilates what you've written follows a set of standards or protocols based on which he marks your answer or your content. When you are aware of all the marking criteria, it becomes much easier for you to score a higher band. So let's just get started. The first marking criteria is the task response, which means you'll have to address all parts of the task or the question. You need to answer questions with a relevant, fully extended, and well supported ideas, which means all your paragraphs should feel connected, all your paragraphs should feel complete, and should have good ideas. The next important marking criteria is coherence and cohesion, which means you'll have to use cohesion in a way that it attracts no attention and that you skillfully manage paragraphing, which means you'll have to split your letter and your essay into 3 or 4 paragraphs. Make sure that these paragraphs feel connected, meaning the paragraph 1 should feel connected to paragraph 2, 2 to 3, and so on. And it should not feel like different paragraphs of different essays or letters. The next important marking criteria is the lexical resources. The examiner expects you to use a wide range of vocabulary with natural and sophisticated control of lexical features, which means you'll have to write simple, compound, and complex sentences, wherein you'll use subordinating conjunctions and coordinating conjunctions. You could also use idiomatic languages. The fourth and the last marking criteria would be grammar range and accuracy. Use a wide range of vocabulary with full flexibility and accuracy. Make it a point that you use sentences that end with a question mark, some with an exclamation mark, know to use when to use your verbs, when to use the nouns, how you connect the sentences, end it with a question mark, end your sentences with an exclamation mark, and so on. I have covered other important tips and tricks that will help you score a band above 7 in writing. So feel free to check it out. If you do have any questions or queries, feel free to leave a comment below. I'm more than happy to help you. Thank you for your time today.